When you first open Premiere Pro CC 2015, you may see this screen that says Getting Started, and there are also tabs for tips and techniques and new features. But we're going to skip all of that for now and simply go to Create. And what I want to do is create a new project, and I'm simply going to call this Retouch _ promo. And I'll leave the rest of the settings at their default. I'll simply click OK. And so now we have our main interface here. So we have our project panel, we have our timeline, and up top we have our program, and on the top left we have our source. Now I'm going to go through these individually, and I'll be importing video and showing you exactly how each of them works as we go along. We'll start with the project window. Now, the first thing we need to do is import our video. Now we can do this several ways. We can go to File and then come down to simply Import. Or we can do Command-I on a Mac, and that's Control-I on PC. And we can import that way. And last but not least, I can simply double-click in the project area here, and that will also open up our import. So the first thing I want to import is Camper's Stereo Movie. So I'll click Import. And now this file is part of our project. To see how some of these other windows work, I can simply double click on Campers, and I can see this now in our source area. And I can click to play.
Hey campers, Jess here for tinyteach.com, and I wanted to let you know that TinyTeach is now offering online classes.
Okay. And let's just drag our playhead back. Now the source area is where we would actually place our in and out points, or where we'd like the video to start and where we'd like it to end. But for now, what I want to do is go ahead and create a sequence. Now the quickest way to do this is we can create a sequence based on the Camper's movie. So I'll simply click and drag our Camper's movie here in our project area, and I'm going to drag it down to this little icon at the base where it says New Item. And I'll let go. And if we look in our project area, we now have our sequence, which is just simply Camper Stereo. And if we look to our right, this is the timeline where the Camper Stereo sequence is already set up. And now I can click play here.
Hey campers, Jess here for tinyteach.com, and I wanted to let you know that TinyTeach is now offering.
Now the timeline is the space where we'll be building the entire movie. We're going to be adding in our watermarks and doing any types of edits, as well as bringing in other video clips and images. And now with our sequence built, we can move on to processing the audio, as well as we're going to be adjusting the color.